Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I revamped this 18-inch jet black closure wig into this cute soft brown bob with fringe bangs. If you're interested, just keep on watching. So the first thing I did was worked on the color, and I added 3 scoops of BW2 bleach powder to this container with 40 volume developer and hot water. The water from the top was hot. It was on the highest setting for heat. And then I let it sit in a bag for like 30 minutes, after which I went in and I rinsed out the bleach. Then I went in and shampoo it with my iron purple shampoo. After I shampoo it, I went in with my Aussie conditioner and I let that sit on the hair for like 30 minutes as well. After that, I just rinse it, and then I let the wig sit overnight so it could air dry. I also want to add that I used purple shampoo. You could also use blue shampoo. This was just to remove like any brushness that I had on the knots, because I just bleached the wig. So just in case I had any brushiness, the purple shampoo would have toned it. So yeah, that's why I use the purple shampoo. So this is me the next day testing out my curling skills. But when I was almost finished curling this week, the power went out. Like the weather was so bad this weekend and I had to leave town, so I left, and then when I came back, the curls dropped. Now this clip right here, guys, this is like a month after. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Like this clip right here is like a month after. I gave up on it, and then I was like, okay, let me just straighten it and add some bangs. So right here you guys gonna see me like trying to remove the center part, and just continue watching. You guys will see how I cut the bangs and also how I cut the hair into the bob. Now y'all over there thinking the struggles are almost over. So after going through all that, my friend was on FaceTime telling me that I look like a MILF. And I was like, no, with the long nails, like, it's not giving. It's definitely not giving. So I was like, let me just go back in and just chopped off a few more inches. And to be honest, guys, like, after I did that, I was like, yes, this is it. This is definitely it. To be honest, I mean, the process, it was a real process. The process was one to remember, but I can honestly say that I am definitely happy with the outcome. I really love this look. I liked how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and also subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, later.